This STARGEAR Starlink Mini Case wraps the compact dish in a thick, impact-absorbing shell that helps prevent damage from drops and scrapes during travel or outdoor use. The liquid silicone exterior feels soft in the hand, yet proves tough against weather, standing up well to rain, sun exposure, and road grime over repeated trips. A matte black front sticker is included to darken the dish surface, which greatly cuts glare on a vehicle windshield when the antenna sits on the dashboard. Cutouts and shaping are very precise, so the case hugs the Starlink Mini closely while leaving the underside hardware and vents free to operate normally. Despite the full coverage design, the case remains fairly light, so it does not make the antenna feel bulky or awkward to mount on a car roof or camping setup. Installation is straightforward enough that you can slip it on and off quickly, making it practical for frequent travelers who want reliable protection without fuss.